World gold price today. World gold prices turned down, with spot gold down $35 and 40 cents to 2.68, 2.7 USD/ounce. Gold futures last traded at 2.70, 5.9 USD/ounce, down $50 and 10 cents from early this morning. World gold prices lost more than 1% on Thursday as investors rushed to take profits after the precious metals price continuously increased and hit a more than 5-week high earlier in the session, according to market analyst Zane Vada of OANDA. Although bulls still maintain their bullish momentum in the short term, prices may see an adjustment ahead of the U.S. Federal Reserve's Fed policy meeting due to profit-taking pressure. Vada said that the market will monitor information that is directional about future U.S. policy. This is crucial in determining the sustainability of the market's subsequent rally. According to CME's FedWatch tool, the probability of the U.S. Central Bank cutting interest rates at next week's policy meeting is 98%. According to Alex Zibkarian, CEO of Allegiance Gold, the Fed is in a difficult position. The possibility of a rate cut next week is increasing, but inflation is still rising. The latest report showed that U.S. producer prices rose more than expected in November amid soaring food prices. Inflation data released midweek showed that consumer prices rose the most in 7 months in November. Jobless claims also rose in the latest week, suggesting a tightening labor market. This increases the likelihood of a third rate cut by the Fed despite little progress in bringing inflation down to its 2% target in recent months. In other developments, the European Central Bank, ECB, cut interest rates by 0.25 percentage points for the fourth time this year and left the possibility of further cuts open. Domestic gold bar prices are increasing, and world gold prices are listed at Kitco at 2.68, 2.7 USD/ounce, equivalent to about 82.4 million VND/tael converted according to the Vietcombank exchange rate, excluding taxes and fees. The difference between domestic and world gold prices is about 4.7 million VND/tael.